So today I will be driving my Raptor. There's the remote over there, and this is the ramp. It doesn't look like a ramp right now, but the secret is fold it out like this. Bam, ramp. I'm gonna actually test it now today because the day that I made it, it was raining. So I'm gonna set up the ramp probably somewhere right here, and the hose should be far enough off to the side. We can get the car, get a little run up, and then hit the ramp, land on the grass hill, just in case it rolls or, you know, does something weird. Oh, that was just a bad jump. Oh, I burned rubber. All right, guys, full speed into the ramp, final send. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. He's completely fine. That could have been great content. I will say though, when I revved up that motor, it made the nastiest sound. And I know why. I'll probably have to do a video on that sometime. I don't know when. It'll definitely be on this car. I know that, but who knows when, so. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get that motor cleaned up, fixed. Yeah, and see you guys next time.